once again, one again, para for practice. We have already seen one, but not one or two are sufficient. We have to solve a lots of near about 100 passages to grab 4 marks without losing a single mark. देखिए next passage there. Accidents on road be prevented provided quality of roads is improved and the drivers instructed in safety rules which must follow for their own protection. It is necessary that the illumination the roads is adequate. See, definitely there is missing word in each line. I am saying in each line. You must follow the instruction in each line. There is missing word. We are starting with first one. Accidents on road be prevented. If here is be, something modal auxiliary verb is missing and that verb is definitely can. See, accidents on road can be prevented. Then what is the before word? Before word is roads. What is the missing word? Missing word is can. Accidents on road can be. Afterward is be. Means the first sentence is accidents on road can be prevented provided quality of road. Provided the quality of road. What is the missing word? The. Sir, how can you tell in such a simple way? See, it needs practice only. How the meaningful sentence can be made. That's why it needs practice and practice, only practice. Accidents on roads can be prevented provided the quality of road. Quality of road is must necessary. The before word is quality. Missing word is the. After word is of. Accidents on roads can be prevented provided the quality of road is improved and the drivers instructed. If here is past tense, something is missing here. That's why we learn voice. What? The drivers. Drivers is plural word. Can is there. That's why are. The drivers are. Before word is drivers. After word is instructed. See what happens. Again reading first sentence. Accidents on roads can be prevented provided the quality of roads is improved and the drivers are instructed in safety rules which must follow for. See, something again missing here. Accidents on roads can be prevented provided the quality of roads is improved and the drivers are instructed in safety rules which must follow. कौन follow करेगा? Drivers. That's why हम लोग drivers के लिए क्या use करेंगे? They. Which they must follow. What is the missing word? Missing word is they. Before word is which. After word is must. Which they must follow for their own protection. It is necessary. It is also necessary. What is the missing word? Also. Is the before word. After word is necessary. It is also necessary that the illumination. Illumination means lights on the road. The illumination कहाँ पे? The roads. Illumination on the roads is adequate. Adequate and proper, in good condition. अच्छा रहे illumination. It is also necessary that the illumination on the roads. Illumination on the roads. The before word is illumination. Scattering of light. Illumination on the. After word is the. See, I am reading again, once again the passage. Accidents on roads can be prevented provided the quality of roads is improved and the drivers are instructed in safety rules which they must follow for their own protection. It is also necessary that the illumination on the road is adequate. See, this is only by practice, students. But for practice also we must know how to make meaningful sentence. the construction of the sentence. That's why we learn subject verb consent, how to make meaningful sentence, how to form a particular proper sentence. I think two passages are enough for today. We will see next again. Thanks for watching our videos. Support our videos, like our videos. Thank you students, and thank you parents. Thanks a lot.